Saya ni majikan cari maid. So I come across agency pekerjaan Al-Ma'ruf through my daughter. And Alhamdulillah, I got my maid today. We had an interview online. Dia dah outlinekan saya the terms, pekerjaan maid, whatever. All this while I ambil through agent, only janji mulut lah. Kadang nasib baik dapat yang baik, tak ada lah. But this time the agreement is in written, very precise. All the don'ts and whatever yang maid tak boleh buat, yang selama ni kita tak boleh nak condone, nak control. They present it very well about phone, gaji. So kita majikan rasa a bit secured lah. Mahal sikit tapi berbaloi. And I tak pernah experience orang lari, baru 2-3 kali ni. Lately lah, this last 1 year. Maybe the maid are getting smarter having a phone kan. But this one is good. She doesn't have a phone. If she wants to call, she may use my phone. That is quite alright with me. Dengan cuti dia tak boleh keluar sendiri. All these guidelines are good for us lah. Kita majikan rasa terjamin sikit. I feel secured lah, that's all. That's what I can say. Hopefully everything goes well.
When recommend?
Saya recommend, tapi takutlah kalau orangnya mahal. Tapi I think still better than having people running away and not getting your money back. Jadi I rasa okay lah, boleh lah. I'm trying to recommend it to my cousin. Dia pun tengah cari maid. Okay, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.